take it on your camera phone. Get a little back, you watch me look down.
If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Yassy Capri. I'm everything hair, beauty, lifestyle, home decor, you name it. So if you're into that, why don't y'all go ahead and click that subscribe button, because you're gonna want to stay. Also click that notification bell, because I do post videos weekly, so you want to make sure you're notified whenever a video drops. Also, please drop a comment down below, because it helps with your girl's algorithm. Okay. Anyways, today, I know a lot of you have seen by the title, we're going to be doing some clip-ins. We're going to be installing some clip-in extensions, okay? So I went to my local beauty supply and I got some clip-ins. Now, I got one pack of these clip-ins. These clip-ins are from the brand OUTRE. MyTresses, if I'm saying that right. And this is 18 inches. 18 inches is pretty long on someone like me, because I'm short for 1'2". It's Yassy straight. So this hair is pretty long on me, y'all. These clip-ins are human hair, so they can be bleached, they can be dyed, they can be flat iron, curled, all that jazz. I think I actually got these in a natural black. Also, this hair did come in straight and body wave. I actually paid $69.99 for this hair, and it does come with 7 pieces. If you're the type of person that wants a fuller look, I recommend 2 packs, but for me, I just want a natural look. So I'm gonna be showing you the various styles that can be done with clip-ins.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. 2005. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. All good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone. Got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just sad as shit is I'm bad as it means they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up. 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 No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up. 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 I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like OUTRE, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up. 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 No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up. 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 Hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back, we can do this. Hold up.
So as you can see, this hair blends really well with my hair. It looks amazing. Now my natural hair, it is giving a little bit stiff because I actually have product in it, because I have to oil my scalp because like my scalp does get really dry. But these clip-ins, yeah. And let me show y'all what it looks like since I'm short. Let me show you how long this actually is. So this hair is 18 inches, right? Literally stops here. Like, that's how long it is. Now I'm gonna show you what else you can do with this hair. Now what you can do is you can wear a low ponytail with this hair. So you just brush it back like so. This is how it looks. You can brush it like so. And then, like, I'm not really committing to this ponytail right now, but if I were, I would put some product on here to kind of lay down these flyaways. I would either use hair mayonnaise, hair lotion. The hair mayonnaise I like to use is by the Olive ORS brand. That's what I usually do when it comes to putting my hair in a ponytail, because I don't really like to use a lot of gel unless it's on my edges. This is something I'll do like if I want to throw on a hat, run some errands, or work out really quick. Just realized I only had one earring on this entire time. So yeah, don't judge me. I got on two now. But anyways, yeah. Or you can do a bond. You can just twist this like so. Put a bobby pin in the back and you have a little bun. Something simple like that. Oh, it stayed without the bobby pin. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how I do my half up, half down look.
Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm gonna be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it. with no shame. We blow that like OUTRE, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Okay, as y'all can see, this is the half up, half down. As y'all can see, I have a few flyaways, a little static, but I am just gonna lay that down with some pomade or some grease, because the thing about being relaxed is you don't necessarily have to use gel or edge control to lay your edges, especially with a temporary style like this. And honestly, this part is gonna lay over this, so you don't even really need to just like, it's okay for it to be a little messy is what I'm saying. I don't really use grease or pomade a lot, but I have it on hand because sometimes you need, you know, to grease your scalp. I know I do sometimes. Or oil my scalp. I mostly oil my scalp, really. And I'm just using this to get some of these flyaways because this part here kind of covers it. This flyaway is kind of stubborn, but y'all get the gist. And I don't know if y'all saw, but what I did was I moved my natural hair that was kind of sticking up. I kind of took that and like twisted it under. Sometimes you have to maneuver it and everything. Now I really feel like this half up, half down look would look great with curls for one. Two, I would actually use a thicker grade of hair, not so much Yassy, but I would do more of a like kinky straight, so you can get a fuller look with this. Not that this look is bad, it's cute, very natural looking, but if I'm gonna do half up, half down, I'd rather the look be fuller. That's just me. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Y'all better go ahead and click that like button if you're still here. Also, give me a comment down below. Let me know what clip-ins y'all typically go for, because there's so many different textures. I make sure that I don't sleep in my clip-ins unless I feel like I necessarily have to. Like for instance, if I know I want a little heatless curl, then I'll put some flexi rods in here, go to sleep, wake up the next morning for work or something like that. I also make sure to wash these. I will not color these, but I know the clip-ins that I've had in the past I did used to color, but I rather just buy the clip-ins already colored because I really want these to last a long time. And I haven't really been coloring my hair like that, especially when I can get wigs different colors. So I'm just gonna keep it this natural black or dark brown or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I will have these set of clip-ins linked below just in case y'all want to invest in some. I actually bought these myself, so this video isn't sponsored or anything, so unfortunately there will be no discounts, but these are actually reasonably priced compared to the clip-ins that I would buy online from various sites. A lot of times I would buy clip-ins that will range from 100 to 150, especially back then. So the fact that the beauty supply has more affordable options, then yeah, these are definitely it. If you have any more ideas in terms of styles that I should do with some clip-ins, or styles that you've done using your clip-ins, then let me know in the comments below. Basically, comment and like this video so your girl can pop up in the algorithm, okay? Because we are on the road to 1K, okay? We are on the road to 1K subscribers. So share my video, like it, comment, do what you have to do. For all of my subscribers, I love y'all. Mwah, mwah. Thanks for the support. Thanks for rocking with me. Until next time.